Hi, I'm Bruce Mowbray. I'm the Operations Director here at Scientific Laboratory Supplies. We were founded in 1991 and we've grown to become the largest independent supplier of laboratory consumables, equipment and chemicals in the UK. CSL were one of those suppliers who were really responsive. The RFQ response came back really quickly. From there, I think we probably went through about 9 different proposals to get to the one that we are at today, but fully engaged throughout. We were looking, this site is quite a modest footprint. What we have the benefit of this site is we've got quite high ceilings. We've got 12 metres to the haunch and we wanted to utilise that space. Automation for 2 reasons. 1, to use the height of the building, but 2, to give us the efficiencies to grow the business. We've got quite big grand plans for this site and we need that efficiency through the building, as well as giving that improved accuracy for our customers and satisfying their needs. We actually contracted the install process to CSL. The building was completed and it was an empty shell, so CSL came in with their project management team as principal contractor and managed the whole install. So there was 4 main elements for us. There was the mezzanine, the racking, automation, shelving, and for us, CSL delivered everything on time. The process of the design of our solution was completely open. We had 9 different, I think, designs, and each one of those we walked through with CSL through the process. We had complete input into what the solution looked like. I actually lost count of how many visits CSL paid to our current site, our old site, to understand our business, understand our product mix, our varying product mix, which is quite big. Anything from 25 litres down to a grain of sand is potentially our product mix. So they spent a lot of time understanding that, making sure the automation fitted, not necessarily our whole portfolio, but at least 80 to 90% of our portfolio was met. Every sort of bolt was understood, the floor slab, CSL were completely on board of where the floor slab had gone, the loading that was on the floor. So really there was no major hiccups during the install. In the old site it was congested, which led to inefficiencies and inaccuracy, whereas everything was deposited at the same pack bench. We also lost chronological order because everything was kind of congested. So what we're looking for is something, as an order's picked, it goes into chronological order and we maintain that discipline and that service to the customer rather than an order sort of falling into the black hole. Our customers are working in laboratories. They are working down to the specific batch of a product potentially. So we have to make sure that we deliver exactly what we say we're going to deliver. And having the automation helps that. Between 6 AM and 10 PM in the evening, we will receive anything from a 40-footer full of pallets down to individual parcels. We will book in probably 50, 60 pallets plus another 10 pallets of parcels as well, so it's quite a substantial number. All that volume is booked into our WMS. Pallets then are put away using our forklift truck. Parcels are broken down into sort of constituent parts, filled into a tote box, and then the tote box goes through the automation, deposited at the various levels of our mezzanine. From an outbound point of view, once the stock's available to pick, our orders are released. We then pick into tote boxes, if it's part boxes. If it's full cases, we pick separately onto trolleys for cases. Everything is loaded onto the same conveyor, and that's one of the benefits for the CSL solution. Cases go on, round the conveyor and to the inline labeler. That is where our full cases are labelled with our transport label, and they make their way to the end to the dispatch spurs. Tote boxes bypass the inline labeler, and they are then deposited at the spurs where the individual packs out the order. And everybody that's come through this site, or whether it be colleagues or customers, thinks it just looks an absolutely fantastic solution. I'd recommend anybody to bring CSL, show them your problem, allow them to tender for the solution. I would have no problems.